Alright, it is like 3 something in the morning. You already know. We ain't even drunk. We just turned up for no apparent reason, man.
I was drinking just a little tiny bit. I'm gonna drink something now.
Okay, well, he admitted to it. We just got a little freestyle going on, nothing serious. All the other videos you see, you know, that was nothing serious. We just playing around. You can tell, because you know the way I kind of rap for real, but yeah, it's like 3 something in the morning and we still up. We're just having fun, you know. Looking a little piece of rap.
We ain't got nothing to do.
So get off in that shit, nigga. We coming in. Matter of fact, bitch. We getting your skin.
Yeah!
Woo!
Like I'm so turned up right now. I have a headache.
I gotta say, my mother was a Christian and she see all that cussing. I'll be in trouble.
I have a headache and I'm not trying to do nothing about it. But oh well, I don't care. I really don't care. But you know, just chilling. Yeah, this is going to help my headaches so much. Yeah. He walks it out. He walks it out. He walks it out and then runs in the kitchen. I'm supposed to be teaching these guys how to dance. They don't want no dance lessons, though. He is called the Unknown Dancer. You do not know who he is. Honestly, you do not know who he is. But that little dance sample. I hope you got that down. I hope you got that recorded, sir. You can look at that later and figure out how to do the moves. And with that being said, y'all already know me. I done said my name too many times. And y'all know who I am. So I don't have to keep repeating myself. Seeing in most of my videos, I go by a lot of names. You choose to call me whatever you want. That's your opinion. Even if it's not my name, that's still, it don't even matter. Some call me lame, some call me cool, some say I'm a chill guy. But you know, I'm me. I just do me. Yes, 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 yes.